Cái nhau trip you council limbaga social cultural cell haka kandu trik ukraling kot haka jingalam uba roy kupar sendam president ke HYC kala penlong yak program sam khusnam yak nong job haka jingiakop thoh bat pule poitri online haka by day ukulam ksiar kabalai ki kerteng jong kinong job kilong barok laingut haka baningkong day usamla panjob kharmalki kabar usamla lahun daka syndrome bat kabalai usamla fedi majau
So we have this program, the poetry recital and writing program of HYC under the socio-cultural cell was held in the month of December. Of course, we have meant to distribute the prizes and announce the winner on the 18th of December, which is the death anniversary of one of our famous writer and visionary, Myllung Soso Tham. But due to the large number of participants in the this program, we were not able to announce the winner. Today, on the 16th of January 2026, we have hold this short program to distribute the prizes to the three winners of this competition that was held, that was organized by the HYC Socio-Cultural Cell. Our main objective is to make our youths, especially, foray into the writing, so that our language, the Khasi language, which we as a community have been demanding a long time back to be included in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India. Of course, the Indian government has shown a reservation. They have told that Khasi language is not yet, maybe not yet fit to be included into the 8th schedule. But our contention has always been that our language is very rich. It has been studied from the primary level up to the PhD level. Our writers have produced a lot of books, and if you look at the overall condition of our language, it is very rich. But nevertheless, our efforts is still to make Khasi as one of the our language a very rich language, so that government of India as well as other institutions know that Khasi, though we may be small in numbers when it compares to the population, but our language, our books, our literature is quite rich, and we deserve to be included into the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India.
Ya baru, kamu tahu dari kini orang Sumatera.
Semua dia suha, dia pilih presiden pemerintah, lalu presiden pembantu dulu juga, sen baru presiden
Bersih sekali pria ini kan. Sini orang baru kau kecil ni.